Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this detailed troubleshooting guide for DTC P0331, which indicates a malfunction in knock sensor 2 on bank 2 of the Honda Pilot models produced between 2016 and 2022. The knock sensor plays a critical role in monitoring engine performance by detecting engine vibrations caused by knocking or pinging. This sensor helps adjust ignition timing for optimal engine operation. Understanding its location and function is essential for effective troubleshooting. Proper diagnosis not only helps in addressing the immediate issue, but also ensures the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle's engine. By following through on the steps outlined in this guide, you will be equipped to resolve issues related to this DTC efficiently. DTC P0331 signifies a malfunction in knock sensor 2, which is located on bank 2 of the engine. The role of the knock sensor is crucial. It monitors vibrations in the engine to detect knocking. Knocking refers to abnormal combustion events, which can lead to engine damage if not addressed. This sensor sends signals to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to adjust the ignition timing and fuel mixture accordingly, thus ensuring optimal performance and preventing potential engine damage. The installation of the knock sensor is typically found near the engine block area, making it accessible for inspections and replacements. Proper functioning of this component is vital for maintaining engine health and efficiency. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0331. A faulty knock sensor itself can lead to incorrect feedback to the PCM, causing timing adjustments to fail. Another possibility is incorrect installation of the knock sensor. If the sensor is not properly aligned or connected, it can lead to malfunctions. Additionally, wiring issues such as frayed wires or poor connections between the sensor and the PCM can also be a contributing factor. It's essential to check these components thoroughly. Neglecting these issues could lead to further performance problems or even engine damage if not resolved promptly. When DTC P0331 is present, several symptoms may affect the vehicle's performance. You may experience general engine performance issues, including a drop in power or response. Rough idling can also occur, which can be both irritating and indicative of larger problems. Additionally, there may be increased fuel consumption resulting from improper ignition timing as the PCM attempts to compensate for the faulty readings. These symptoms not only indicate the immediate need for addressing the DTC, but also impact the overall driving experience and efficiency of the vehicle. Awareness of these signs can lead to quicker diagnosis and repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0331 involves verifying the issue. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the systems needed for diagnostic checks. Next, you will need to clear the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. This reset helps establish a fresh baseline for observations. After clearing the DTC, turn the vehicle off and then restart the engine. Maintaining the engine speed at 2,000 RPM or more without load for at least 5 seconds is crucial during this step. This procedure helps in checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs afterward. Ensuring these steps are executed correctly is pivotal for accurate troubleshooting. Following the initial verification, you proceed to check for the confirmation of DTC P0331. If the DTC is indicated as present, this confirms that the failure is duplicated, allowing you to move on to the next step in the troubleshooting process. If not, indicating an intermittent failure, the system may be functioning correctly at the moment. In such cases, it is essential to inspect for poor connections or loose terminals, specifically at knock sensor 2, bank 2, and its connection to the PCM. If freeze data or an onboard snapshot was recorded, Attempt to reproduce the failure under similar conditions to identify any potential patterns in malfunction. In the final troubleshooting step, you will check the installation of knock sensor 2 on bank 2. It is imperative to ascertain that the sensor is correctly installed, as any discrepancies here could lead to erroneous signals being sent to the PCM. If the installation is confirmed to be correct, the next logical step is to replace knock sensor 2. Conversely, if it is not installed correctly, realigning and reinstalling the sensor properly is required. This step is crucial, as proper installation ensures that the sensor can accurately monitor engine vibrations, preventing future errors and ensuring the engine runs smoothly. After completing the necessary repairs, it is essential to conduct final verification tests to ensure the issue is fully resolved. Running the vehicle through standard operational tests will help you confirm that no additional DTCs arise, particularly pertaining to P0331. If the DTC does not reoccur, this indicates that the repairs were successful and you can finalize the confirmation of the repair. This step is critical to ensure that the vehicle operates efficiently without any lingering problems. Successfully addressing the DTC not only restores functionality, but enhances overall vehicle reliability, ensuring a smooth driving experience. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0331, regular maintenance and inspections of engine sensors are crucial. Make it a routine to check the conditions of knock sensor 2 and its wiring. This practice helps identify potential issues before they develop into serious faults. Additionally, ensuring that the wiring integrity remains intact is paramount. Frayed or damaged wires can lead to erroneous signals and DTCs. Furthermore, avoiding harsh driving conditions can greatly reduce wear and tear on engine components, helping maintain the health of the knock sensor and related systems. By being proactive with maintenance, you can extend the lifespan of your vehicle's engine. In conclusion, we have thoroughly examined DTC P0331, which indicates a malfunction in knock sensor 2. This component is vital for optimal engine performance, and its failure can lead to serious issues, including engine damage. Through a structured troubleshooting process, proper identification, and resolution of installation or sensor issues can be achieved. Remember, regular inspections and preventive maintenance are essential to avoid similar DTC occurrences in the future. Understanding the role of the knock sensor and recognizing early symptoms can lead to timely interventions, thereby enhancing the overall performance and reliability of your Honda Pilot. Being proactive in vehicle care will lead to a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.